My hero's always been cowboy. Grew up a dreaming, being a cowboy, living cowboy ways, pursuing the life of my high-riding heroes. I burned up my childhood days, learned all the rules of modern-day drifter. Don't you hold on to nothing too long. Just take what you need from the ladies that need it, with the words of a sad country song. My heroes have always been cowboys, and they still are, it seems. Sadly in search of one step in back of themselves and their slow-moving dreams. Cowboys are special with their own brand of misery, from being alone too long. You could die from the cold in the arms of a nightmare, knowing well that your best days are gone. Picking up books instead of my pen, I let the words of my youth fade away. Old worn out saddles, old worn out memories, with no one, with no place to stay. My heroes have always been cowboys, they still are, it seems. Sadly in search of one step in back of themselves, their slow-moving dreams. Sadly in search of one step in back of themselves, their slow-moving dreams. And those cowboys are always out there. You know, the real cowboys, though, they don't hang around here too much. They're out there on the prairie doing the work that they're famous for. The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the doggies bawl. Where spurs are jingling, cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call. Singing this cattle call. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night winds blow up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather, he sings